Hello, my name is Lenka Macejová. I'm from Czech Republic and I'm 25 years old. I study economy at Technical University in Czech Republic. My field is national economy because I'm interested of economic situation in Czech Republic and European Union. I would like to be a manager and I would like to work with people, communicate with people and travel. I started learning English at basic school when I was 14. I've been many times abroad where I improved my English, for example Netherlands. I was there 3 times working as a bar staff. I was also in Vietnam, which is my most popular place. I want to join this program to meet new friends and travel. After this program it will be more easy for me to communicate in English, and this is what I'll need if I want to find a job in Czech Republic. Because I'm hardworking, friendly and skilled. These are the main reasons why I'm the right person for you. Thank you.